Hey, Casimir, tell me, would you say that zero is a number? Well, isn't a number like a 5 a representation of how many times you shook your hand to count apples or minutes? So how many times do you shake your hand to count 0 apples? Exactly. So what if I told you that the word number is not a noun, that it's a verb? Think about it. You move your hand up and down to count how many books you have in the stack. You're not adding units. You're counting. You assign a symbol known as a number when you stop moving your hand. This symbol is different than the one you assign to another count. Number means to count. Under this definition, 0 clearly doesn't qualify as a number because it symbolizes a non-count. Decimals and fractions. Well, just look at the context. We're talking about the definition of the word number. Decimals and fractions, as well as negative, square root, division, and powers, are operations. They all require two numbers. A fraction is a ratio between two numbers. A decimal is just another form of a fraction. A negative number implies a tacit companion from which the amount is subtracted. Otherwise, the negative sign is meaningless. Not so with natural or counting numbers. There's no operational positive sign preceding them. A division has a number on the top and another at the bottom. Powers are numbers that are elevated to the number known as the exponent, and so on. You must define the word number before you use one of them in an operation with another. Therefore, famous so-called numbers, such as pi, Euler's natural log e, or the gravitational constant g, do not meet the definition of the word number, because they either are operations requiring two numbers or are accompanied by units. Infinity. It's also not a number. Infinity simply means that you haven't stopped counting. We'll have a total number of shakes when you do. A number is the symbol you use to represent that last movement of your hand. You count with your feet? What do you mean you count with your feet?